Alright guys, we got one of these Super Break Deluxe hockeys here. Super Break Deluxe How is what I like to call it. May the Gordy not be with you. Oh dude, terrible man. I was in bed all yesterday. I just have a bad feeling. I just have a really bad feeling. Please cough on everything you send to Eric. Well, Eric, we've seen this piece before. Wayne Gretzky. I'm just going to leave that right there. I'm just going to leave it right there. Wayne Gretzky, PSA DNA cert. Hey, I want you to, hold on. I want you to think of the most random thing you could possibly get out of this case. And then I'm going to top it. So type something out that you think is just completely random. Hulk, that's a good guess, man. That is a great guess, but I'm going to top it. Wheaties picture, Brandy Chastain. And she does have a shirt on in that picture. This is a family show, you know? Okay. Well, I already know what that is. So let's end with that. Jordan Stahl, signature patches. Number 75. Jeff Skinner, 52 of 99. Rookie patch out of the cup. Wait for it. Oh, JL Chan, you just made me think of Street Ball. Oh, baby, the professor. Wow. That will do it.